Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this really quick tutorial, I'm just going to give you an example of how you can add sunflowers to the foreground of your studio images. Of course, these are designed more for your outdoor sunflower shoots, but why not add them to studio? So I'm going to go ahead and start by adding some sunflower corners to this beautiful, really sweet little newborn image here. So I'm going to click Apply Floral Framer, make sure you locate your unzipped sunflowers from your computer, and I'm going to go for Sunflower Side Warm. I'm using the actions to apply, so I'm just adding this in here. I like how it curves around this image, and it's very obviously in the foreground, as you can see here with the blurring. And another one, I'm just going to hit apply on the actions, and let's add the second warm side here. I'm going to hold down shift just to kind of warp that form a little bit, and we've added them in, they're done. And I think I might add a little bit of blur to this one because it looks like it's much more where I've made it larger. Obviously the sunflower itself is larger, so that would in effect be more in the foreground now. To finish off the sweet sunflowers, of course this is also, generally for sunflower images outdoors, but there's no reason why you can't use these overlays on your studio images. I just recommend with the black brush that's selected, brushing off your subject a little bit if it looks a bit too warm. So I'm just going to bring the opacity up there, and again brushing off the middle, and we're done. So let's see before and after. Just finishing off with a beautiful sunflower interest in the front of the scene. I adore this shot, look at her face, absolutely wonderful. So let's add sunflowers to this studio shot. I'm going to hit apply a floral framer. Let's just go all out, go big or go home with this kind of shot. So let's just add these in all around the sides. At any point you can hit the V tool just to move them, get this positioned where you want it, and done. I'm just going to warm these up by hitting the tone warmer, which just clips onto that sunflower layer. Again, if you want to watch the first tutorial, this walks you through everything that's included here. And we're done. I'm just going to use a black brush just to lighten these a bit, because where they're meant for outdoors there is a little bit of hazing on them, so on a flat kind of studio background you may wish to just tweak them a little bit. But we're done. Let's just move out a spot there just to show you really funky, a really fun way to polish off your sunflower images in the studio. How about one more newborn? Absolutely adorable here, so cute. I'm going to go apply floral. And which one should we use for this one? We want something a little bit cooler, I believe, for these sunflowers here. How about we go for Sunflower Side 7? I'm just going to bring this around a little bit, and we're going to completely blur this one. And to do that I'm going to hit blur paint, you choose. Bring the blur up. It's just adding a beautiful shallow depth of field. And again, angling this a little bit. Let's just curve that around our subject. Right click, I'm just going to warp in some of these a touch because I'm going to blur this anyway. And hit OK. Hit the blur paint. Bring this up, and you can hit V move tool if you want to continue moving things around on your image. And we're done. A really cute way of adding sunflowers into the foreground of your studio images.